blockchains, one massive question. Which is the better investment for this crypto cycle? Solana or Sui? You've probably heard Solana being referred to as the Ethereum killer, but now Sui is emerging as the challenger. Dubbed the Solana killer, with both gaining momentum, it's time to dig deep and compare them head to head on technology, adoption, tokenomics, and more. If you're holding Sol or Sui, or just curious about which one could skyrocket next, this video is must watch. And don't skip a second, because at the end I'll reveal what I believe could be the biggest winner of this cycle. I'll start by comparing their origins and vision. Let's begin by looking at how Solana and Sui were born and the vision behind them. Solana was founded in 2017 by Yakovenko. His goal was to create a blockchain that could rival traditional systems like stock exchanges in speed and efficiency. Over the years, Solana has evolved into a powerful ecosystem supporting DeFi, NFTs, and global payments. It's developed by Solana Labs and backed by the Solana Foundation. Sui's story is a bit different. It originates from Meta abandoned Libra project, which aims to revolutionize global payments. When that project was shelved, the technology behind it lived on. Mysten Labs, formed by former Meta engineers, launched Sui in May 2023 with a bold focus on innovating and redefining blockchain architecture. Next, let's compare their technological foundation. Technology is the heart of any blockchain, so let's explore what powers Solana and Sui. Solana is built for speed. Its combination of proof of stake and proof of history allows it to process up to 200,000 transactions per second, with a block time of just 400 milliseconds over 1,400 validators securing the network. Solana is one of the fastest blockchains out there. However, some of its transactions history is stored in centralized servers, which raises concern about decentralization. Sui, on the other hand, is built using the innovative Move programming language. This approach focuses on objects instead of accounts, unlocking entirely new possibilities for developers. In tests, Sui has achieved speed of 297,000 transactions per second with the finality times of 390 milliseconds. However, Sui's network is still small, with only 8 validators, making it more centralized at this stage. Now, let's look at their ecosystems and adoption. A blockchain's success depends on how widely it's adopted and how robust is the ecosystem. Solana has established itself as a leader with over 7 million Phantom wallets downloads and 5 million active wallets. Its ecosystem is thriving with 5 billion locked in DeFi protocol, making it the third largest blockchain by total value locked. Partnership with major companies like Visa further highlights its real-world adoption. Sui is catching up quickly with over 1 million wallets downloads and 1 billion in total value locked. It's showing strong growth for a newcomer. While its ecosystem is still growing, Sui focuses on gaming and next-gen decentralization apps, positions it well to attract users and developers. Moving on, let's compare their tokenomics and price potential. Tokenomics often determines a blockchain sustainability and investment appeals. Solana's token Sol has a total supply of 590 million, with most already in circulation. Its inflation rate started at 8% but will drop to a sustainable 1.5% by 2031. Early investors who bought Sol at its ICO price of 0.22 have seen gains of over 650x. Analysts believe it could reach 1,000 or more this cycle if its growth trajectory continues. Sui's token Sui has a maximum supply of 10 billion. Its vesting schedule has passed major unlocks, reducing the risk of token dumping. Early investors who purchased Sui at $0.1 have seen 20x returns so far. Projections suggest Sui could hit $20 to $24 this cycle, offering high upside for those willing to take on the associated risk. Finally, let's discuss their challenges. No blockchain is perfect, so let's explore the challenges they face. Solana has struggled with reliability in the past, experiencing multiple network outages. While its Fire Dancer update is expected to improve stability, building back trust will take time. Solana also faces growing competition from other blockchains like Aptos. Sui's primary challenge is its centralization. With only a few validators securing the network, it has room to grow in terms of security and resilience. Additionally, the complexity of the Move programming language may slow down adoption among developers unfamiliar with its unique approach. So which blockchain stand out? If you're looking for a proven blockchain with widespread adoption and robust ecosystem, Solana is the safest choice. But if you're drawn to innovation and higher upside potential and are okay with some risk, Sui could be the better play. Personally, I believe both have their strength, and diversifying your portfolio with both Sol and Sui can be a smart move. Each offers a unique opportunities to capitalize on the next wave of blockchain adoption. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. For more crypto insights, share this video with others who might be exploring their next big investment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.